Let me just take a seat right here. Oh yeah, that's comfy. Okay, I was just fooling you. You can't actually sit on this plant, but it is called the tractor seat plant because of the shape of these leaves looks an awful lot like an old-timey tractor seat. It doesn't look anything like the newfangled tractors that have the reclining seats and the air-conditioned cabs. Anyway, I digress. Let's talk about this plant. Aside from being called the tractor seat plant, this is also known as the giant leopard plant, also known as Farfugium japonicum. And this one's actually still kind of a baby. They can get really big in the landscape, and because of those giant leaves, they actually make a really bold and almost tropical statement in your landscape. And I like them. And while most people grow them for the beautiful foliage, they also do make some yellow flowers that kind of look like daisy flowers. Now, because of these large leaves, they do prefer to be planted in shade or maybe just a little bit of sun. And they do like a good amount of moisture, or else they will start to weep and wilt. Now, if you live up north, I'm sorry, this probably isn't for you because these are a perennial in zones 7 through 10. Another cool thing about this plant is they typically are deer resistant in the landscape. Overall, definitely a fun one to add around your house, especially if you've got a shady spot.